Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of La Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24th July from around the world. India to equip Rafale jets with Hammer missiles under emergency order. With the Rafale jets arriving in the country in the middle of a dispute with China, the Indian Air Force is further boosting the capabilities of the combat aircraft by equipping it with the Hammer missiles from France. The order for the Hammer standoff missiles with the capability to take out any types of targets at the range of around 60 to 70 km is being processed under the emergency powers for acquisition given to the armed forces by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government. Sachin Pilot wins a big step in Supreme Court against Congress. Congress rebel Sachin Pilot has scored a good day in court in his fight against former boss and Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. The Supreme Court yesterday refused to stop the Rajasthan High Court from announcing its decision tomorrow on a petition by Sachin Pilot and 18 other rebel MLAs challenging disqualification notices served to them for defying the Congress party. The Rajasthan Speaker, who served the notices last week, has argued that the rebels cannot petition the High Court at this stage. The Rajasthan High Court's ruling will, however, be subject to the final order of the Supreme Court, which will take up the case on Monday. It is the matter of just one day. Why can't you wait? The top court asked the Speaker during arguments on blocking today's verdict. The judges also questioned why the Speaker, a neutral person, should approach the court at all. Coronavirus live updates. As many as 29,557 COVID-19 patients have recovered in the past 24 hours, the highest recorded in a day so far, taking the recovery rate to 63.18%, the Union Health Ministry said on Wednesday. According to data updated by Health Ministry at 8 a.m., total recoveries have surged to 7,82,606 and exceeded the active cases of COVID-19 by 3,56,439. The overall tally in India rose to 1,238,635 after over 45,000 fresh cases were registered within a span of 24 hours. The death toll also increased from 28,732 to 29,861. With a daily surge in cases, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday said the fight against novel coronavirus should continue vigorously till the time a vaccine is developed. Modi was speaking at the foundation stone laying ceremony of the Manipur water supply project via video link when he said that development works should also be carried forward with full force during this period. UV lights are becoming the weapon of choice to kill the virus. For the past 1 week, ever since she has acquired a UV band, Delhi-based advertising professional Pallavi Chaudhary has been moving around with the portable gadget in her handbag. I got to know about it through friends in St. Joe's, US, who say they have been using for a month and find it quite handy, she says, adding, I take it to grocery stores for quick sanitization of the supplies before I bring them home, and also use it on the face mask, car keys, and phone. Priced a little above rupees 3000, the IFI Tech Handle UVC Light Wand Fertilizer has become Chaudhary's magic wand to fight the corona fear. Even though she is not 100% sure of its efficacy and still occasionally dips the grocery supplies in baking soda and water mixture before using them. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.